Hi, this is David Sweetman from SAP Digital Business Services Global Marketing. I'm here today at Sapphire 2017, interviewing Rich Campitelli, who's Senior Vice President for Cloud for Digital Business Services. Thanks for joining us, Rich.
You're welcome, David.
Thank you.
Yep.
I'd love to ask you, from all of the time that you've been interacting with clients here at Sapphire, what are some of the consistent challenges that you're hearing and opportunities, particularly around digital transformation and cloud, and how they're going about that and how SAP may be helping them?
It's a great question, especially because I focus on the HR side of the equation and the cloud primarily. What customers are looking for is how to get started. So what they really were looking for us is, how do you help me go from where I am today to where I need to be? And what's interesting is almost all our customers, especially legacy customers, are going to be in a hybrid environment of some kind. So they want to understand how they keep, part of their presence on premise potentially, and part of their premise in the cloud. And there's an imperative to move forward, but they're really looking for advice and guidance about how to make that shift.
Great, thank you. Do you see any particular challenges that there, or risks that they're trying to minimize, or speed that they're trying to achieve in how they go about that, and how SAP can help is changing and helping them in that direction?
Well, what's interesting is that I think the fundamental requirements of us as a business are changing dramatically. And there's two things customers care about: value, and then how do they realize the ongoing benefit from the investment they're making. And so what we need to do, two things differently. One is accelerate the implementation. In the cloud, the work doesn't actually start until after go live. So instead of thinking about the customer's project as this effort to get them to go live, you think about the project to take the go live and focus on adoption. So how do they take that in implementation and spread it across the largest percentage of their business? And then once they have that, the question is, how do you make sure they're so satisfied with what they have that they will renew over a period of time? So that the idea is that they are a customer for life, not a customer for a project. And to make them a customer for life, every customer needs a success plan, which in its simplest form is the path of which they're going to find success across the implementation after they've already gone live. So for us, it changes our requirement a little bit to being this partner to get to go live, to a partner to drive the success on a longer period of time.
Well, that's great, thank you. So as companies are looking for kind of a central accountability across all systems, from that digital core through to all of the cloud products that they may be deploying, do you see some consistencies on how we're helping customers achieve that, and some of the things that can make it easier for them?
Sure. I'd say it this way: complexity is the enemy of speed, right? So everything we can do, it needs to be focused on getting all the complexity out of the way for our customers. And whether it's giving them hosting options through, through HANA, or giving them actual cloud options that allow them to do out-of-the-box standard implementations. As an example, in HR, we've developed this model company for HR, which basically gives them a move-in ready environment. They can take a pre-integrated solution and just start using it as an organization. And so what that means is, for a customer, they can focus on what they need to do, and they can leave the parts around complexity to us. And so for me, complexity is the number one thing we have to focus on.
That's fantastic. Good insights. Thank you. Is there any parting insights that you'd like to give to us as customers are looking for, cloud solution, speed, and innovation?
For sure. I think the most important imperative from digital business services is this idea of navigation. Customers are looking for someone to help show them the way. And I think that based on our experience, based on our understanding of our solutions, and based on what our customers have in place today, we're really in a great position to help them find what their journey looks like. It is in fact a journey, and what they need is someone to help them navigate the complexities that that's going to provide for them. So I see this as a great opportunity for us, and a really fantastic point in time for this organization to change the face of our customers' experience in the cloud.
Great. Well, that's fantastic insights. Thank you very much for taking the time to share those with us, and we look forward to speaking to you soon.
You're welcome. Thank you, David.